Today we're gonna do a little exhaust comparison. Right here we got the Muzzy RJWC single, Yoshimura by Can-Am, and dual empires. Here we got the RJWC. Now we got the Muzzy. Now we got the dual empire. And here's the Yoshimura. So in case you can't tell on the YouTube video because of the sound, Yoshimura is about the quietest exhaust. Even though it's deep, it still sounds alright, but it's just not loud. The Muzzy's next up in loudness, but it has a lot deeper tone. Then you come up to the RJWC, it's pretty loud. It's got a higher pitched tone to it, and then the dual empire is the loudest one of them all and the deepest.